BMW R9T Scrambler Best Motorcycle Review. Much more than a styling exercise. Don't think of the BMW R9T Scrambler as a fashion bike, think of it as a great-looking lightweight version of the GS that is pleasingly lacking in the fussy electronics that the latest water-cooled model is so adorned with, but still delivering a comfortable riding stance and decent tank range. While ultimately this makes it less practical and a bit more demanding to ride as it lacks some creature comforts such as a proper screen, it also gives the BMW Scrambler a special character and unique appeal all of its own. There's a thriving online community for the BMW Scrambler at the 9T Owners Forum. Ride quality and brakes. The 19-inch front wheel is basically a fashion accessory, but BMW has ensured that this feature doesn't detract from the Scrambler's handling by giving it the same size tires as the GS. Related, BMW R9T range updated for 2021. These fatter tires are very much road-orientated and feel far more natural to riders who have grown up on 17-inch rubber, giving good front-end feel. The seat isn't the most comfortable, but it is okay for most uses. Engine. The Scrambler retains all the spirit and character that epitomizes the R9T Roadster. Not to mention a healthy 108.6 brake horsepower with 85.6 lb-ft of torque. The air-cooled engine is far removed from its considerably more civilized water-cooled brother, and it demonstrates this through a barrage of noise and vibrations that the current GS would certainly consider uncouth, but suits the Scrambler's character perfectly. Reliability and build quality. It's an air-cooled BMW, so the engine is as solid as they come. The overall feel of the bike is one of quality, and it is unusual for BMW to cut corners. Our BMW R9T Scrambler owners' reviews show positive results, although servicing sounds expensive, a typical BMW trait. Value versus rivals. When launched, at £10,530, the Scrambler was actually a pretty well-priced BMW model, especially when you look at the competition. A Triumph Street Twin with a Scrambler inspiration kit cost £9,095, while the Ducati Scrambler was £8,395, and both have less powerful motors. Equipment. The Scrambler is designed to be stripped back, and therefore you only get ABS as standard equipment and conventional forks instead of inverted items. If you want more bling, spoke wheels, traction control, heated grips, and even a rev counter can be added via the parts and accessories catalog. In 2016, BMW UK created the Scrambler X, which was simply an accessorized Scrambler. For £11,090 you got spoke wheels, the option of off-road tires, LED indicators, and heated grips, saving about £150 on buying them individually.